Hey, it's JP. So this is part 1 of 4 of my food prep FAQ. Part 1, what's in those containers? I hear this question from people all the time when I post pictures of my fridge. And I really never answer that question. And it's not because I'm trying to hide anything or be rude, but in fact, it's kind of irrelevant because what I buy is what's available to me and what I like. And that might be different from what's available to you and what you like. So I think a better way to answer this question is just to describe my strategy for how I buy produce. So I typically go to the farmer's market, I'll go to Costco, I might go to the regular supermarket, and what I generally do is I group produce into these 2 categories. The sort of softer category, so maybe leafy greens like kale and chard and whatever, and then harder vegetables like onions, carrots, potato, etc. And that's sort of my strategy. I segregate these 2 different kinds. So when I bring them home and I chop them all up, I keep together all the softer stuff and I mix that together and I put that in some containers, and I mix together the harder stuff and I put that together in other containers. Okay? Now here's the thing, I don't know if that's a good idea. I just do it because it just seems natural to me. But a cook might tell you that's a terrible idea, and there might be other very specific strategies. So when it comes to what is in my containers, all I can tell you is my strategy is to sort of think of vegetables in these 2 broad categories and to segregate them in my fridge in those particular ways. And that is part 1.